Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you how to create a camera app in Python to take a screenshot or record the screen. Import pyautogui. For that we need a 4 package: pyautogui, PySimpleGUI, CV2 and numpy. For the setting of screen size, title, button, record, stop, exit, screenshot, capture the image in a camera in bytes by reading frames, update and encode in different image type like PNG, JPG, etc. Also using CV2, IM encode return two values. The first being whether the operation is successful and the second being the encoded image EN in your first code snippet would be tuple. For CV2 IM decode to work, you need to use en1 instead of en. Now let's see how this we can do in Python. First of all, you have to import the package pyautogui, PySimpleGUI and CV2 numpy as np. And don't think I need to tell you how to install it. Okay? Several times I told you how to install the packages. Or if you don't know, then go to Google and find out the package. There you will get the path. There you will get the command. You copy it and paste it into the terminal. So you will get the package. Then define the main function and then SG object is used to set the theme blue mono. I set the blue mono theme and there are many colors which you want you can set. Then layout, I set the layout by using PySimpleGUI. SG text camera application size 41, justification center and font equals to Helvetica 20. Then SG image file name space key equals to image SG button. Then I define 4 button: record, stop, screen and screenshot. For that we set the font size and font type. Size equals to 12,1 and font equals to Arial 14. Then we set the window. For that we write sg dot window camera application layout. It will layout location where it displays 800 to 400. Then we capture the video by using the CV2 video capture 0. Recording equals to false. In starting the recording is false. When we get the instruction for the recording, then we record our image on the camera. For recording each and every frame, we need a loop. So I define here a while loop. Then event values window read timeout equals to 20. Then event will read by the window. If event equals to exit or event equals to exit window close, it will return to the main menu and close the window. Else if event equals to record, then in first of all you have to initialize the recording equals to true. Then if event equals to screenshot, then you must define my screenshot for taking the screenshot, and here we use pyautogui dot screenshot and then my screenshot dot save r shot dot png. So it will create a shot dot png. R is to remove the error, encoding error escape sequence, and then else if event equals to stop, then recording will become a false and image np full for 486 40 comma 255 image bytes equals to cv2 image byte equals to cv2 uh, im encode within bracket we write .png because we are going to save our image in png form and 2 bytes, because in bytes we are going to save the png file. Then window image dot update data equals to image file. It will update your window image. What it get current, then it will save in the window image. If if the event is recording, then return comma frame equals to capture read. It will read frame by frame and return it ret comma frame, and then image byte cv2. Again I have to take it in png form, frame 1 2 bytes, window image update data equals to image byte. Then main function which I have defined is I will call from here, and it will take events one by one and do the work as I instructed in a program. So let's start and run it and find out whether it is working or not. So run this. Here the GUI came, which I have made in blue color. I have taken a theme and I have taken a title camera application. Then I want to take a screenshot. Press this one. This will take the screenshot, and then record the screen. It will take the screen and record it. Then stop the program. It is already stopped. So run it again. Take it here, take a screenshot, then record it. This will take your screen, then stop it. It will stop, and then press exit. It will exit your program. And this is all today, viewers. And next time I will no just see the file which I have made, short.png. This is the file which I have made by the screenshot, and the capture video is not recorded in a file, so I can't show it. And next turn I will teach you some function, then I will copy the video into the file, and then you can be able to run the screen recorded video in your computer or in your mobile or whatever you are going to use, and then you can use the camera for the screen recording. So this is all today, viewers. Please run it and find out how to make it, and try in Python. If any problem, then please comment me. I will solve. If I think that it is not recoverable, then I will take also help from internet. You can also take help from internet, and then I will solve this. So thank you, viewer. Today it is all. Now I hope you like it. If you like, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.